Hey everybody, this is Ori from OneScales, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about Performance Max campaigns in Google Ads and how you can see the actual search terms that people type in Google to get to your website through your Performance Max ads. If you're running Performance Max campaigns, you definitely want to check this on a regular basis. It's a very, very important report that you should see, and you can use it to enhance your Performance Max campaigns. And more importantly, you can create search campaigns based on that. You can enhance your SEO campaigns based on that. You can use search data, which is very, very valuable. And now Performance Max actually offers this information for you, and it's there. So all you have to do is either go to your account itself and click on the insights, or you click on the specific Performance Max campaign, click on it, and then click on the insight. I'm going to click on the account itself, but you can click on any specific campaign. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down until you see this section right here called Consumer Spotlight, understand the search terms. And what you're going to do is click on all right here, and you're going to see a list of all your terms. And I like to actually click on View Detailed Report right here, and I can see all the search terms, the search volume, the number of impressions, clicks, the conversions, etc. And I like to actually download it and use it once the list gets very long, and I can actually create new campaigns on it. I can remove keywords, things like that. I can enhance my Performance Max campaigns, etc. So that's really, really it. If you are running Performance Max campaigns, you definitely want to check the Insights tab very, very regularly. It's super helpful. Now you have data, you can actually use it, and that's it. So if you have any questions on this topic, on what to do next, on search campaigns, on Performance Max campaigns, on anything Google Ads, Analytics, Shopify, e-commerce, web, tech, anything we talk about on OneScales, contact us, write on the comments, go to our website, onescales.com, ask a question, check out all of our articles. We teach a lot. Everything is for free. We teach, we try to help you guys level up. We try to learn from you guys. And as always, if you liked it, please subscribe. It really, really helps us a lot. Please like, please share with a friend, share with a colleague. Let us know what you want. We can make more topics. Just contact us, say hello. We're here to chat with you guys and connect with you guys. Much, much appreciated. Thank you very much.